Mom, I'm hungry.
You just woke up, Bob.
I woke up hungry.
You always do.
Today it feels worse
Why today?
because it's Sunday.
Hunger doesn't change with days.
Sundays feel different.
Different how, Bob?
Slower, longer, and more relaxing.
And more food-focused?
Yes, Mom, especially lunch.
You think too much about food.
Food is important.
It is, but patience is also important.
I'm trying to be patient.
Trying already sounds difficult for you.
Hunger makes patience difficult.
Breakfast wasn't that long ago.
It feels long to me.
What do you want for lunch?
Something tasty.
That answer again?
It's a good answer.
Be more specific.
Something that makes me feel full.
Anything else, Bob?
Something homemade.
That part is easy.
Good.
Do you want to help me cook today?
Help as in real help?
Yes, real help.
Not just standing and talking?
Not just standing and talking.
Cutting, washing, cleaning?
All of that.
That sounds tiring.
Cooking is tiring
Then why do you do it every day?
because someone has to.
I never thought of it like that.
That's why helping matters.
If I help, can we make my favorite food?
If you help honestly, I'll try.
Then I agree.
Don't agree and then disappear.
I won't disappear.
I'll remind you if you do.
That's fair.
Let's decide the food first.
What do we have at home, Mom?
Rice, vegetables, flour, spices.
That's enough for a full meal.
What do you suggest, Bob?
Vegetable rice.
That's a good idea.
And flatbread.
We can do that.
And maybe a simple curry.
Now you're planning properly.
Hunger helps planning.
Come to the kitchen then.
Finally.
First rule.
Wash hands.
Correct.
Done.
Second rule.
Listen carefully.
Very good.
I'm learning fast today.
Let's see how long that lasts.
I'll try my best.
Start by washing the rice.
How much rice should I take?
Enough for both of us.
How do I measure that?
Use the cup.
1 cup or 2?
1.5.
Like this?
Yes.
Now washing?
Yes.
The water is cloudy.
Wash again.
Still cloudy.
Again.
Now it's clear.
That means it's clean.
It takes time.
Everything good takes time.
What should I do next, Mom?
Knead the dough.
I don't know how.
You'll learn.
How much flour?
This much.
How much water?
Slowly, little by little.
I added too much.
Then add more flour.
Cooking fixes mistakes.
If you stay calm, yes.
Staying calm is hard.
Practice helps with that too.
Cooking feels slow.
Because eating is fast.
Eating is the best part.
Cooking makes eating possible.
I never thought of it like that.
That's why learning matters.
How long will lunch take?
Around 20 minutes.
That feels long.
Waiting teaches patience.
I'm learning patience today. Do you enjoy cooking every day?
Some days, yes.
And other days?
Other days, I feel tired
Then why don't you rest?
because work still needs to be done.
I can help more.
That would make things easier.
I'll try to help more often.
Trying is a good start.
The rice smells good.
That means it's cooking well.
Can I taste it now, Mom?
Not yet, Bob,
You always say that.
because it's always true.
Waiting is hard when you're hungry.
Hunger tests patience.
What should I do now, Mom?
Set the table.
Plates and spoons?
And water glasses.
Where should I place them?
Properly, like we always do.
I'll do it carefully.
I trust you.
The table is ready.
Thank you.
The kitchen looks cleaner now.
Cleaning is part of cooking.
It's not my favorite part.
It's still important.
I know.
The food is ready.
Finally.
Sit down.
Can I eat now?
First, say thank you.
Thank you for cooking.
Thank you for helping.
The food tastes really good.
It usually does.
It tastes better today.
Because you helped.
Helping makes food better.
Helping makes everything better.
We should cook together more often.
I would like that.
Maybe every Sunday?
That sounds good.
I learned many things today.
Like what?
Cooking takes time
Yes.
and patience,
Correct.
and helping matters.
Very much.
This was a good Sunday.
Yes, it was.
The food was really good, Mom.
I'm glad you liked it, Bob.
Cooking together made it better.
Eating together feels nice too.
I'm full now.
That's good.
Can I rest now?
First, we clean the kitchen.
Cleaning again?
Yes, after cooking and eating, cleaning is important.
Okay, what should I do?
Take the plates to the sink.
All of them?
Yes, all of them.
I'll do it carefully.
Thank you.
Should I wash the plates?
Yes, I'll help you.
The kitchen looks messy.
It will look clean soon.
Cooking makes a lot of dishes.
That's why cleaning matters.
I'm wiping the table now.
Good. Do it properly.
I didn't know cleaning takes time too.
Everything takes time.
The floor needs sweeping.
I'll do that.
The counter looks clean now.
Yes, good work.
The kitchen looks nice again.
That's because we worked together.
Helping makes work easier.
And faster.
Next Sunday, I'll help again.
I'll be happy if you do.